Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix Studio website design fully responsive, step by step. If you want your website to look perfect on the desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, this 2025 guide is exactly what you need. So stay tuned till the end because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to build a professional, device-friendly website fast. Let's get started. First things first. Access Wix Studio. Open your browser and head over to the official Wix Studio website. Once you're there, click on Log In at the top right. If you want a faster sign-in process, you can simply select Continue with Google. So this saves time and connects directly to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Quad Wix Studio dashboard. From here, click on the Watch Sites tab. This is where all your existing projects appear. If you already have a site, you can open and continue editing it. But if you want to start from scratch, hit Create New Site. Now comes the fun part, choosing a responsive template. Wix Studio makes this super easy. In the template section, you'll find a category called All Responsive Templates. These are specially designed to adapt perfectly to all screen sizes, desktop, tablet, and mobile, without you needing to code anything. Before you commit to one, click Show View to preview how each template looks across different devices. You'll see exactly how it adjusts automatically. It's a great way to make sure your layout fits your brand and stays user-friendly no matter what device your visitors use. Once you've found a template you like, click Edit Template. This opens up the Wix Studio Editor, your creative workspace. Here, you can customize the design, update text, change images, and tweak layout elements. Wix Studio automatically keeps everything responsive, but if you want to fine-tune things, switch between the desktop, tablet, and mobile views using the device icons at the top. This allows you to adjust spacing, font size, or layout specifically for each device. Here's a quick tip. Always preview your changes before publishing. Use the Pojo Preview button to test your design across all screen sizes. This ensures a seamless experience for every visitor. And that's it. You've just built a fully responsive Wix Studio website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy web design guides, and let me know in the comments what other Wix tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.